So hello guys, this is my next video lecture on inheritance. Okay, so what is inheritance exactly? So inheritance is a way in which a particular object will acquire the state and behavior of another object. In this case, it is referred as the parent object. So it is very important in view of OOPS concept. Okay, so it represents a relationship which is also known as parent-child relationship. So there are few reasons why we use inheritance in Java. One is code reusability, because you will be using the state and behavior of a previous class, which is the parent class, in the child class or the subclass. Another one is for method overriding, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. We will try to understand what it is exactly, what is method overriding. We will try to understand in a next lecture. So there are few terms used in inheritance like class. Class is the blueprint. Okay, that is it is a templated blueprint from which objects are created. Then there will be a subclass or a child class, so which will be inheriting the state and behavior of the parent class. And then there is superclass or parent class, the class whose properties and behaviors are inherited, that is the parent class, and the one which inherits it is the child class. So certainly code reusability occurs in this. So how do we write, what is the syntax for Java inheritance? It is class space parent class, class space child class extends parent class, and your methods and your fields goes inside the parenthesis. Okay. Yeah, so now I will be showing you with the help of a program how does Java inheritance exactly take place. Okay, let's say we have two classes. One is a class student, okay, which is the parent class, and another one is a class computer science student. Okay, what we do is in the parent class, that is the student class, we only mention string space name equals to whatever, that is the only instance variable in the parent class, that is the student class. Then what we do, then we write class space computer science student space extends space student, and here we add a field, that is boolean space placed equal to say 1. Okay, equals to say true. Okay, and then we try to test it out using void main. Okay, in that, see, you have to see it very carefully. In that, what we do is we create a new object of type computer science student. So we write computer science student space C equals to new space computer science student bracket start bracket close. Okay, so then you write out two println statements. In the first println statement, we will try to print out the only field that is available in the parent class, that is in the student class, that is name of the student. So we will simply write C dot, that C is the object here, and we will write it as C dot name. Then in the second line, in the next line, what we do, we print out the, okay, so whether the student is placed or not. So we print out simply C dot, simply we print out C dot placed. Okay, and you will see that there won't be any error, and both, whether it is whether he or she is placed or not, that is the C object, whether it is placed or not, and what is its name, both will be displayed. Yeah. Okay. Next we will be learning about what is all the single inheritance, what is multi-level inheritance. Okay. Yeah. So yes. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Thanks.